Welcome to JDM EXPO. I'm John, and on this channel we like to feature our inventory, a little bit about JDM lifestyle and vehicles. And yeah, if you're interested in any of the cars that you see on this channel, make sure to inquire info at jdm-expo.com. And if we don't have those, you can let us know what you're interested in and we can source them or check other vehicles in our inventory. And let's get into this. Starts up nice and easy. I need to go get some gas, so let's go do that first. Love this sound. Hakosuka 2000. This beautiful inline 6. Yeah, I believe this is the replica because the other one that we have, it's very low mileage, by the way, and you guys are going to be seeing that real soon. It's hold on a second. This, right? Oh man, this, gotta love carbs, right? So the Hakosuka, obviously, some of you clicking on this already know about how awesome it is. This being a replica, a lot of similarities with the GTR. Obviously the GTR is a lot better, also significantly harder to find. So you know, good luck with that. I have a Hakosuka Skyline GTR. Well, this is actually a replica, one of the GTXs with plenty of GTR parts. Now, we've had plenty of these over the years, but this one is one of the cleanest examples that we've had. We had one pretty good last year, but this one is fully restored in and out. And they definitely took care of a lot of things related with the engine, updated the interior a little bit. Let's have a look. You can see these beautiful Recaro seats. Well, the dash is surprisingly in impeccable shape for being over 40 years old. That's pretty outstanding. Well, they did update the audio deck. You can see there, 2000 GT. And let's look under the hood. You guys can see what they've taken care of. Let's look at the doors there. The upholsteries, everything is so great. And they also redid the paint on the exterior. And we'll look at the trunk later as well. Updated carbon fiber hood in this here. And you might notice the beautiful intake here. Multiple carburetors. From Mikuni, these are genuine. Distributor, we've actually got MSD ignition on there. They've replaced the hoses, updated the cooling by removing the clutch fan, so it revs up a little bit better. You have an electric fan there instead. Now it does have a manual switch, which I was using on the drive over here on and off occasionally when I was waiting at a light, just to make sure that it doesn't overheat. Once you get moving though, everything's good. Space. We'll check out the fuel tank, spare tire, and all that good stuff. And the spare tire is removed, so you can see how clean it really is in here. Yeah, so the shop that restored this is in the Tokyo area. And we've purchased from them before, but this is probably the absolute cleanest one we've ever gotten from them. Just amazing. I really hate doing slideshows, but I'm gonna have to show you guys what they had done with this. So they tore it down, and as you can see here, these are some of the photos of the work that they've been doing. It's just absolutely beautiful. Down to the metal, they've cleaned everything up, restored all of these different parts. And after we got it, it was running all right, except we did find out that the gas gauge stopped working. It was actually just the float in the tank was not working properly, so we were able to take care of that. And also replace the battery and just make sure that the wiring was good. And like the brakes, the engine performance, and the responsiveness, especially with these individual throttle bodies. I mean, wow, the performance is just amazing. Alright guys, if you like what you see, make sure to inquire info at jdm-expo.com. We do have another one available, but I believe that's already being discussed with a customer. I mean, these do go quick. So Hakosukas, especially genuine GTRs, this one is a GTX. We have an actual GTR that I'll be showing in the next video. Yeah, it's just unbelievable, especially for these 60s and 70s cars to have them in such condition, but we can definitely find them for you. We've had plenty before, and these are just some of the best examples that we've had in recent memory. About a year or two ago, we've had some that were okay. We've got various conditions just because you never know, especially whenever they're this old, but they're just a lot of fun. Just the sounds, the feel of the car, the responsiveness. It's really unlike anything that you've ever experienced before, unless you love other classics, American muscle cars and all that. Then you know what I'm talking about. So anyways, hope you guys like what you see. If you're interested in more, don't forget to subscribe and check out these other videos here. We've got more inventory, and don't forget to message us on any of our social media contacts, and we'll see you guys in the next video. All right.